Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi not spicy full guide. Rinse cabbage well, trim cores, and soak to remove surface spice quickly. Use less gochugaru and swap for paprika or mild chili to keep color without the burn. Incorporate sweet elements like pear or a touch of sugar, and taste as you go to hit a gentle, balanced flavor that pleases sensitive eaters. Trim and salt cabbage as usual, but prepare a toned-down seasoning paste using milder powders and extra umami components. Blend pear or apple into the paste for natural sweetness and to mask sharp chili notes. Adjust fish sauce and a bit of sugar to maintain complexity when you remove heat, and always taste the paste before mixing it with vegetables to ensure a balanced result. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans crumbs and stray cabbage bits while you ferment, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free tidying. It's a fun way to keep your kitchen ready between batches, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control fermentation to keep kimchi mild by cooling the environment and checking flavors often. If you prefer low spice, refrigerate earlier to stall fermentation and limit heat evolution. Use weights or jars with gentle pressure so flavors distribute evenly without overactive bubbling, and sample regularly to stop the process when the kimchi reaches your preferred tang and gentle warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.